Magpapadala na po kami ng mga imbitasyon. Very important po yung Dolomite project hearing po na ito kasi syempre it's not just a question of overpricing, which is basically the question that we have today, no, on corruption in all infrastructure projects. But secondly, it's also a question of mahalaga ba or importante ba or kailangan ba yung ganito pong mga proyekto. Kasi basically yan din ho yung tanong eh. Hindi ba sa mga DPWH projects po natin yun. So for example, binanggit po ng DNR, I think a couple of days back, no, sabi nila, parang hindi naman kailangan yung mga ilan sa mga flood control projects na ginawa. Kasi yung mga, for example, yung pong mga DK, wala naman daw pong mga komunidad din. Di ba? Kumbaga, nasa gitna daw po ng kawalan yung pong mga flood control projects. So it wasn't just a question of overpricing. It was also a question of, was it ever necessary to actually fund these particular projects? And the same question will be asked on the Dolomite Beach project hearing. Was the Dolomite Beach project actually necessary, particularly because it was never part of the NEDA master plan for Manila Bay rehabilitation?
Binigyan diin ni Bicol Saro Representative Terry Ridon, Chairperson ng House Committee on Public Accounts, na rerepasuhin ng Kamara ang 380-90 milyong Dolomite Beach Project upang matukoy kung tunay na kailangan ito. Ayon sa kanya, hindi ito bahagi ng orihinal na Manila Bay Rehabilitation Plan ng dating NEDA at mas makabubuting ilaan ang pondo sa sewage treatment plants na direktang makatutulong sa paglilinis ng tubig sa baybayin.